Hi, welcome to Wall Street Confidential. Joined by Jim Cramer, I'm Deborah Borchardt. We're looking at Hewlett Packard. They're reporting after the close today, but even beyond that, what is the outlook for Hewlett Packard?
This is one of those situations where you can't get caught up in the quarter because they're about to have a transformation. They're buying EDS.
Huge.
The integration with EDS will be fabulous for the company. Mark Hurd has got it totally under control. I own it for ActionAlertsPlus.com. What I've been trying to do in each case with AA Plus, and it's been a tough market for everybody, is hope that my stocks come down. I have a half position on. If Hewlett goes to 41.42, it would be a total gift because going forward, I think it's able to be able to manufacture some really good quarters because of the consolidation.
They've been stuck in this range, this
yes,
40 to 50 range
for
the last year. So
tech has been
if they get at the bottom of that range, you could ride it maybe a little
right. But again, I think the central issue here, like in retail, is the stock's been doing very well. It's held up very well under an assault. Seasonally, tech is great in the last week of August, beginning in September. And I think Hewlett Packard is just going to be one of the go-to names in technology for the fall.
And they stole that #1 spot from Dell as far as...
Right. Now, Dell's coming back. Michael Dell's doing a great job. Intel tells you that they're all coming back because the chip sales are very good. Mm-hmm. PCs are very strong in the world. And what I like about Hewlett is it's going to have soup to nuts. You bring in your consultant, EDS, and they put in Hewlett Packard. Hurd has a vision here. And again, I don't really care what the quarter is. That's as opposed to Research in Motion or Google, where the quarter is going to knock down a stock, even Apple. Hewlett Packard is one of those examples where the company going forward is going to look very different from the company that's reporting now.
Do we have any digestion issues with EDS we should be on the alert for?
Mark Hurd is the one thing he knows how to do is do these acquisitions. It's just a great situation.
Okay.
There are very few situations that I have as much conviction in as Hewlett Packard.
Okay, so we're looking at Hewlett Packard in the low 40s.
Right. Well, that would be. I bought some already here, so I don't need to buy any more at this level.
You don't, but...
Right, but other people, if you hope that it comes down. If it comes up, no, you don't want to touch it.
Okay,
just like
great.
everything else in this market. Anything that goes up, you have to wait for a pullback because the market's so horrible that you can just get whipsawed if you come in and pay up.
Right, so...
The market's horrible, okay? Now, doesn't mean we're going to take out the July 15th lows. I think those stand. But, you can come in on a producer price index number that is obviously the last bad quarter, and people just react to it anyway. Negative news is much more prone to be reiterated and reverberating than positive news here.
Okay, so we're looking to get in some fresh money at 41, 42 for Hewlett Packard.
Yeah, if you get that.
If we get there.
That's
all right.
right, yeah.
Great, thank you, Jim, and stay tuned for more at thestreet.com TV.